The human body is covered all over by an elastic outer layer called skin. Skin keeps the organs in the body safe inside by keeping harmful bacteria out. It is like a strong suit of armor that protects us and makes us waterproof. Skin is very thin. It is thinner than paper. It easily gets scratched or bruised, but luckily, it can heal itself. Skin is also very flexible, and it is so elastic that it allows us to move in all kinds of ways. Your body may not be as flexible as this gymnast's, but your skin is. The skin expands as we become bigger and bigger, so we never grow out of our skin. If a person's skin were spread out flat on the floor, it would cover 20 square feet of ground. That's the same as a rectangle 10 feet long and 2 feet wide. 1/10 of your weight is the weight of your skin. Without skin, we would die. It's an important part of the body's machinery. Skin comes in many colors, from light to darker shades. But whatever the color it may be, skin protects the body. It helps regulate body temperature, and it also senses pain, pressure, and touch. We actually have 2 layers of skin, the epidermis and the dermis. The outer layer, the skin you can see, is called the epidermis. The epidermis is made of old cells that are no longer alive. Through the microscope, they look like overlapping roofing tiles. These tiles are skin cells that have worked their way to the surface, where they died and hardened. New cells constantly come to the surface and push the old cells out of the way. The old cells fall off. Every day, 10 billion dead skin cells fall off your body. Every 6 weeks, you get a new skin. That's more often than a snake does. Putting on sunscreen protects the skin against too much sun. It allows the skin to tan, but prevents it from burning. When the sun shines on the body, the skin produces vitamin D, which is needed to make bones strong. But sunlight also contains ultraviolet rays that can damage the skin. Melanin cells give the skin some protection from those rays. They are the dark patches you see here. Melanin is found in the epidermis, under the dead outer cells. This is what gives the skin a tan when we lie in the sun. We all have the same number of melanin cells, but in darker people, the melanin cells are more active and protect the skin better. Light-skinned people have to be careful. They burn more easily in the sun. Let's look through the microscope at the inner layer of the skin. This is called the dermis. It's thicker than the epidermis, and a lot goes on here. In just 1 square inch of your hand, you have 9 feet of blood vessels, 600 pain sensors, 30 hairs, 36 heat sensors, 75 pressure sensors, 134 yards of nerves, and 9,000 nerve endings. All of this helps to control your body temperature. To feel comfortable, the body maintains an even temperature of 98.6 degrees. When sunlight or exercise heats the body, we begin to sweat. The sweat glands act as the body's air conditioning system and cool down the body. The sweat glands produce sweat, a salty liquid that oozes to the surface of the skin and carries the heat out of the body. When cold, the body tries to keep warm in a hair-raising way. Tiny muscles make body hairs stand up to better trap the warm air near the skin. Skin can detect the slightest pressure. The pressure sensors can feel even the light touch of a fly. The skin can also feel pain, too much heat for instance. Pain, touch, and heat sensors all send messages to the brain. Feel something, and in less than 1/100th of a second, a message reaches the brain. Do you know what this is? It's a magnified hair. It looks a lot like the roof tiles of the epidermis. As a matter of fact, hair and nails are actually an outgrowth of the outer layer of our skin. Like the epidermis, hair and nails are made of dead, hardened cells. Therefore, hair and nails don't feel any pain. If your hair is pulled too hard, it's your skin that senses the pain. Hair grows in tiny pits called follicles. The head grows up to 150,000 hairs, and on the rest of the body, there are close to 5 million hair follicles. People have hair almost everywhere. Actually, the whole body is covered with hair. There are even hairs in the ears, with little drops of wax sticking to them. Only the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet are hairless. You may not believe it. People have more hair than monkeys, but our hair is finer and shorter. Hair protects the head from too much sunlight, and eyebrows prevent sweat from rolling into the eyes. Eyelashes are good at filtering out dust that could irritate the eyeball. Nails, like hair, can't sense anything, but they grow out of sensitive skin that detects if you touch something, even if you touch it lightly. When people grow older, the hair follicles shrink, and hair may lose its color. Hair that grows out of the narrow follicles is thin, and if the follicles close completely, no hair grows at all. The result is a bald head. Skin also changes as people grow older. As the skin loses its elasticity, wrinkles develop. We cannot stop the skin's signs of aging, but we can protect it from too much sun. The invisible ultraviolet rays in sunshine can damage the skin and even cause skin cancer. Skin is the first line of defense against harmful substances in the environment. So, take good care of it.